Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorial, and in this video you are going to learn. So in this video I'm going to show you that how Magnetic Lasso Tool works. So let me show you with a practical example. Now let's get back to this example. Once again, delete this from here and now copy this and paste here. Alright, Control T and then press shift and then drag it. Okay, now we will use this tool. No, this one, Magnetic Lasso Tool. So what is Magnetic Lasso Tool? As its name suggests, it is more of like magnet. Okay, so you just press once and then you just keep moving the mouse. Don't press left key. Okay, don't press anything, just move. So it will automatically detect the edges and it will move itself. Just you need to drag. Okay, it is more of like magnet, you can see. So it detects the edges, it detects the end point, and then so press this space bar and then keep moving. Oh, you have to go slow actually. It is more of like magnet. Okay, so it detects automatically. And don't press left side mouse button or the selection will end. Press space and then drag it and then leave the space bar and once again start your work. Yes, double click, the selection is done. So I believe this is more precise this time. Now Control Shift I, that means inverse selection. Press delete. You can see this time it is deleted. So as you can see, it is now. If you want to delete the inner section, this one also, once again go to here and magnetic, select magnetic, just click once. Okay, and keep moving your mouse. It will detect the end point, the edges automatically. Oh, and then you need to move the mouse. Even you can click here. Okay, now it's endpoint. Now you can see it is selected and press delete. So this way it can be deleted. So far you have learned these selection tools and then these freehand tools we have learned so far. You have learned so far. In the next I will show you this one, quick selection tool and magic wand tool as well. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.